Holy crap! Oh my gosh, guys. These are the biggest smallmouth that I have ever seen. See them swimming right there. Let's see if we can get on one. Those are solid 2-pounders at least. It looks like a little hole right over there. You guys had any bites? Man, this creek's it's got some deep spots to it. What do you see? Oh, you saw a smallie here? You saw a smallie here? Really? Frog. I need. Oh, fish. You do too? I've got a fish, guys. What do we got here? Rock bass? Yep, rock bass. First fish, rock bass. All right. Got this tied on. This seems to do pretty good in the other creek that I fish. So let's see if we can increase our catch rate right now. Oh, fish. A little longer. Long ear sunfish.
I like the pattern on them. I like the pattern.
Small little thing.
That's pretty.
Oh.
That scared the crap out of me.
Ooh, this looks like a good little spot right here, I bet. Let me toss it right on over there and let that current work it for me. Oh, 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 fish. That worked.
That's a nice one.
Oh, but nice fish.
Whoa, that's like a bat. What is that?
Looks like a smallie.
Oh, Daddy!
Yeah, it's a smallie.
Yay!
There we go, little smallie.
Wow!
So,
Ooh, that feels weird.
all right, guys, our first smallie out of this creek.
Good guess. Have your mommy come to him.
Pretty fish.
Yeah,
Pretty color. All right, let's let him go. So what I was doing, I've got this bait here, and this current right here, all I did was just cast it out there. It was closer to that stick, but basically all I did was let that current swim this bait. And that fish hit it like a train. So you don't necessarily have to work your bait all the time. You can let the water do it for you. So that's kind of cool. See if we can get it to commit. Oh, fish. Swimming right towards me, a little long ear. Ethan's got a fish on. You got it? Oh. Oh, baby. Oh, my goodness. Dang, Ethan.
This is my first smallie.
Look at that hog.
What?
Nice. That's a good fish. Hold it out there.
The first fish you can catch.
That's a nice fish. Turn around this way. Let me.
Right under that log.
All right, let's put him back. Ethan's first smallie, big smallie, in this creek.
Whoa! He looks so cool.
Are you ready?
He has a pretty collar. Whoa!
There he goes.
He's going back right where he is.
That was awesome. How was the fight?
Fun.
Fun, that's it?
Yeah.
Huh. Wow. Kid of many words. Fun. All right. What's this? A homemade bow? That's wild looking. That tree knot looks like a bowl. That's pretty cool. Some of the things you find when you're out fishing. All right, we're coming up on Jonah. Yeah, that's not as big. That's definitely a different one. What do you got?
There's a different one than Ethan caught.
Yeah.
Ethan's just still.
Oh yeah, look at, man, he's been eating good.
You should feel how heavy he is.
Can I feel?
Oh
He looks
yeah.
heavier than he feels heavier than he looks. Don't drop him.
Hold him tight.
Oh, I see. Whoa. He does have one.
Okay, let's
And he has a big teeth too.
get him. All right.
Ready?
All right, let's get the release on him.
I had him on twice.
All right, whenever you're ready.
There you go.
There he goes.
Try to get him, bro. Why?
All right. All right, we're going. Jonah wants to go down here and fish this spot. 5 or 10 casts to get him. Let's stay on the bank and see what we can do. I'm gonna tie something different on. I'm going to tie on my Z-Man. Jonah, what you got on? Show him what you caught that on.
Z-Man Ned Head with the Strike King salted bitsy tube.
Oh, you got the. Okay, he's got a Z-Man Ned head on too.
Last one.
10th ounce with a Strike King bitsy tube.
Be sure to face
Right
this
there.
way when you're tying on.
Ready?
Hey, what?
Can I put on the
Oh,
Oh my god.
pull him in.
That's a rock.
Rock bass.
This is a different
That's
fish.
a huge rock bass.
But the other one.
Oh wow!
That's a fat
Look at the markings on that.
Yeah. It's got tiger stripes. Or zebra. It's like a zebra.
That's wild looking.
The other one was definitely a big smaller, that's for sure.
Those rock bass can fight pretty good too, though. It might help if you like loosen the tension on your line there.
Yeah, it's.
See how much easier it is.
That's a big rock bass.
Let's see the colors on that guy.
I'm looking at like his belly. It's also there down there too.
That's pretty cool.
I wonder if he's a hybrid between a smallie and a.
I don't know, might be. What do you guys think? Let us know down in the comments. This rock bass. That's the first time we've seen a pattern like that.
It's a nice one too.
Whoa.
I don't know if they
That pattern is cool.
do anything with smallmouth or not. Like, but that's pretty cool.
Fish.
Oh dang! You sure? I think you're hung.
That was a fish. It's like stuttering like it's a fish.
It's probably that current. I think you're hung.
I swear I just had a fish. I knew it was. It's just around or something. It was running. What's that on? Oh, I actually do have a
Oh dang! He did have a fish
Look,
on.
I told you. I told you it felt like a fish. Told ya.
How are you catching all these fish?
That's cool. He thought he was hung, but he actually, that fish went under something apparently. He was trying to hide. All right, let's see what he got.
That's a bronze back. Look at him.
Nice. All right, let him on back.
I told you I had a fish.
Yeah, we can't see that. Where did you go?
Oh, I just want to look it up.
Huh?
Oh, whoa.
Oh, Ethan got one.
Rock bass.
Rock
Seen
bass.
The 2 chunks I had.
I'll show you the normal rock bass. Once Ethan unhooks here.
He's hooked good.
So, here, come to the light. Don't step on my rod. Okay, so that fish Jonah caught had like some smalley type pattern on it, and this is what they normally look like, what we caught. So I don't know if what was up with that other one, but that was pretty cool rock bass Jonah caught. All right, put him on back.
Go.
Is he dead?
Now his gills are moving.
There he goes.
Woo, he's strong. Oh, yeah. There's one. What?
Oh,
Rock bass.
That is the same one that I caught. Whoa.
that's
Red on it.
that's the one. It looks like the one Jonah caught. It's
It has a red spot
It
on
has
it.
a red spot on it.
oh yeah.
There's some chunky rockies in here.
Maybe that's... I don't know.
That one's got that.
Oh, no.
Oh, well. Oh, oh crap. Oh, big fish. Big fish, big fish. Stay out. Stay out. Stay out of the... I think that's a... Oh, no, that's a smallie. Oh, man. Whew. He felt bigger than what he was because of that current. Wow. All right. Phew. He put up a fight no bigger than he is. Pretty fish. Let's let him go. Man, that thing, the way that current's going, I thought that was a humongous fish. Ethan's got a big fish on. Big fish. Keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight. Oh, oh, oh. Nice.
Dustin, I was about to go in there to get my tube. I said, Ethan, make one more cast in there before I go in there and spook all the fish. And he
Yeah.
did that.
Nice.
Aren't you glad I let you make one more cast, Ethan?
Oh, my. He's chunky. He was fighting a lot harder than the other one.
Awesome. Wonder if that's the fish that I caught. No, I don't think mine was that big.
Whoa. Thank you.
No problem.
Ooh. Hold on. I gotta get a good release.
Okay guys, we walked upstream and I wasn't ready for recording. And I got this smallie on. Pretty little fish. I like those that have that kind of like a tiger pattern or something on them. That's pretty sweet. Let's let him go. There he goes. Whoa. Two creeks are merging together and there's bound to be some fish in here. Fish. Oh, oh, wow. Big fish. Big fish. Or at least it feels big. He's pulling. Smallmouth. Oh, gosh.
Whoa, that thing's fat.
He definitely felt bigger than what he is. Ah, ouch. Right there.
Bye, fishing.
Yeah, look, right whenever we get to these good parts. Let's see, good.
Oh,
Had something hit it. Oh, oh. I had something hit it too.
you did too?
Oh, I got one.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, she does. Lily, stop.
This thing's big.
Oh crap, I got one. I got one. I got a fish.
Oh, it's not bad.
Rock bass. I had one just hitting mine. Guys, I was trying to get Lily's fish in frame because she, Ethan, watch out.
Let me pull it out.
But I get to hold it since it's my fish.
You barely had him hold.
Is that your first one, Lil?
Yeah.
Awesome. Rock bass. Nice. Put him on the back.
Yeah.
Cool.
My first fish is a dog.
Awesome. All right, guys. I just got broke off. I've got a yum dinger, watermelon red flake, Texas rig to I believe this was an 1/8 ounce bullet weight, and a 3/0 EWG hook. So we're gonna see if we can get. This is a deep spot, real rocky. We're gonna see if we can get something to hit this. Oh, I got one hitting it. Fish. Right there. Oh, largy.
It's a largie. It's like mid. Oh, it's tiny.
Not bad.
Nice for a creek, though.
There we go.
This creek's awesome.
Got us a largy. Taking the watermelon off, and I'm gonna put the June bug on.
You guys fish back there? Wow. Wow. Ooh, shiny.
Go with the, try the June bug real quick. See if we get any more activity. I'm just gonna slow reel this in. Oh.
Whoa.
Fish. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, what? Is that a rock bass? Oh my goodness. Holy macaroni. Would you guys look at this?
Oh my god. He's been
Oh.
bruised a little bit.
I just had
Is that bruises or is it might be like a long ear hybrid or something?
Hold on, John. I just had a fish right here. Hold on.
I thought that was a long ear.
Would you guys look at this? I don't know. Maybe something tried to eat him? I don't know. Look at that. What's wrong with this guy? Did something have him in his mouth? Did a big bass try to eat him?
Yeah. The heck?
But that's a big rock bass.
I thought it was a long ear.
Let's put him back. Man, that dude.
That's a big one.
That dude hit hard. Real hard.
It was looking cappuccino looking, lily grass looking, snowfish looking, rock looking,
Noah Jones.
Pinocchio looking, Noah Jones, and Fortnite looking, lily looking, hot looking.
Oh, fish. Oh, yeah, fish.
I got one too.
Doubles.
Good thing I brought a
Dang it.
Texas rig.
Another rock bass.
I got a.
That's a rocky.
Man, these are some decent size.
Georgia.
Oh, dang.
Jonah.
That's a big rocky.
We found some big rock bass. Me and Ethan just doubled up.
Now I gotta catch a fish so we can do triples.
Oh yeah.
These are some big rock bass.
Here, I'll hold the phone and you two go out there with your rock bass.
Wait, no, I don't.
Hold that up. Hold yours up.
There we go.
Wait a minute.
Just Turkey Boys one more time. Before they salute.
All right. Double rock bass doubles.
I can't get nothing to freaking bite.
Let's let them go. I've got on a Yum Dinger June bug, and Ethan's got that. He's got a Ned rig with it's blue and black. What we're doing is these two creeks merge here, and there's a big old deep spot right here, and I'm casting to the other side, and I'm just slow reeling it over to me on the bottom. Maybe give it a, oh, I got a fish right there. Nope, fish had it. Was swimming with it.
Oh my god, look at these. Look at these.
Holy crap!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys. These are the biggest smallmouth that I have ever seen. You guys see them swimming right there. Let's see if we can get on one. Those are solid, yeah, have to be 2-pounders at least. Okay, well, we know where they're at, for sure. Big ones.